show you guys, I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys my nighttime routine as I'm getting ready for bed. As you can see, I'm taking off my bling and my earrings and so forth. But first I'm going to show you what I do to take off my makeup. Over here, okay, of course, I have my trusty makeup remover with Mary Kay. It's my eye makeup remover. And I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it on some toilet paper. I love it, obviously, because it's almost gone, you see. But just a little bit on that. And what I'm doing is just going to wipe off very gently in my eye area. That's my first step. Take the back of it, do it again. Okay guys, of course you can use a cotton ball too, but I left my cotton balls outside of the bathroom, so I didn't use the cotton balls this time. Now our cleansers can take off the makeup, but sometimes it leaves a little bit, so this is the best thing to use to take off your eye makeup. It won't be a problem. Okay, that's my first step. My second step is my trusty TimeWise Miracle Repair. This is my TimeWise activating square, you guys. So, to be honest, when I feel a little bit like I'm getting ready to get sick, I like to put this on. And I'm not saying that's what it's used for. What it's used for is plumping up the skin, making the skin feel fuller, helping rejuvenate the collagen in your skin. But Mary Kay has done this in a most unique way. It's the most concentrated form of vitamin C. So I place it in my hand like this. Oops. Put a couple of drops of water. Okay, as it's melting, I'm going to take my next step of my routine. My volumizing serum. I'm going to squirt just a little bit. Mix it all together. See, I'm mixing it. And it gives my serum a boost. And you could do this up to once or twice a week. And I like doing it at night because it gives your skin extra time to rejuvenate itself. So you wake in the morning feeling refreshed and revitalized. Your skin looks revitalized. Make sure I get all of it on there. And I extend it to the décolleté. Then I use my last step. Well, not my last step. My next step is the night cream, which has retinol, vitamins, and additional vitamin C and E. And last but not least, my eye cream, y'all. There you have it, my nighttime routine. That's it, simple as that. With TimeWise Repair. Okay, guys, have a nice evening.